Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my business educational platform. In previous lecture, we have discussed what is the annuity, the types of annuity, which were the ordinary annuity and the annuity due, future value of these annuity, and present value of these annuities. Today, we will discuss what are the uneven cash flows. So what are the uneven cash flows? When payments or annuities or the cash flows occurs different than the previous one, that is known as the uneven cash flows. Like previous years we have the cash flows of 400, so in this year we will have the cash flows of 600. So this is what the uneven cash flow occurs, as they are not the same, they are changing over the periods of times. So when we have unequal payments over unequal number of periods, we can use annuity uneven cash flows streams. So here is an example of uneven cash flows. Like Ali will receive the set of cash flows below. What is present value at discount rate of 10%. So here you see for first 2 years Ali is receiving 600, and later on 3 and in the year third year and fourth year Ali is receiving 400, and in the year 5 Ali is receiving 100 rupees. So this is how the uneven cash flows are being used. So how to solve the uneven cash flows problems? Simply we will use the discounting formula in order to find the present value and compounding formula in order to find the future value of these uneven cash flows. So here you see what is the difference. Here you see that R is a cash flow, which is multiplied with 1 plus I power minus 1. So same process occurs, and in the end, if there will be the 5 years, we will sum the 5 years, and then in the end we will sum them off. So this is how the present value of uneven cash flows is founded. So piece at a time, they are, you see the how to find the future value of cash flow stream. So you see here 600, 600, 600 are uneven cash flows. So what we will do, we will start from the year 5th, and we will provide it the year 0, it is today, and at 4 it is the first year, at 3 it is the second year, at 2 it is the fourth year, at 5 it is the last year. So I hope you got the future value of uneven cash flows, how to find the future value. So simply we will compounding them, like we will use r and 1 plus I power n. So this is how the future value of cash flows is founded. So what is the frequency of compounding? If we are compounding it semi-annually, quarterly, so we have to change the frequency. Like we can find out a daily, like there exists the 365 days in a year, and there exists the two or 3 quarters. So how we will use the frequency? Here the simple formula for frequency of finding the future value is PV into 1 plus I over m power mn, where n represents the number of years, m represents the compounding period per year, and FV and m represent the future value at the end of year n. PV represents the present value of cash flow, that is today. So simply, what are the frequency times? There occur the annually frequencies, there occur the semi-annually frequencies, there occur the quarterly, there occur the monthly, and there occur the daily. So M represent the frequency, so it will change as we will compound it annually, semi-annually, quarterly. It depends upon our need. So what is then effective annual rates? When it comes to the effective, you see there exists the effective GDPs or real GDPs. So same is the case at here, like with the effective annual rate, interest rates. So what is it? It is the actual rate of interest earned paid after adjusting nominal rate for factors such as number of compounding years per year. So how it is founded? It is founded simply with 1 plus I over m power n minus 1, where m represents the number of periods. I hope you got the idea behind effective annual rate and its finding out the formula. So now we are moving forward to the one of essential concept of the banking sector industries, that is of loan amortization. So what is it? If a loan is to be paid in equal periodic payments, it is said to be amortized loan. It is an application of compounding interest and annuity. There examples exist like car loans we purchase, so we get the loan amortization. Mortgage loan or the student loans are the some of the examples of amortization, loan amortization. So what are the steps to find out the amortization of loan or doing this amortization of loan? Initially we will firstly calculate what is the payments. So I hope you understood, you know the formula of present value of annuities that will be used in order to find the payment per period. Then we will determine the interest period, and then we will compute the principal payments and determine ending balance and start again at step 2, and we will repeat and repeat and repeat until the number of years. I hope you got the process behind the amortization loan. Let us see what is the examples or what are the steps that are being involved in the amortization of loans. So initially, as Ali is borrowing 10,000 at compounding interest rate of 12% amortization if the annual payments are made for 5 years. So simply, as we are moving forward to the first step, we are using find out the payments. So as here you can see what will be the payment. It will be almost 2,800 if we will simplify it. So then we will use this process in order to find the for 5 years. As here it represents 0, then we will for first year, second year, third year, fifth year, and you will see the interest payments will decrease and the principal payments also will decrease. So payment will be used same for the fifth 5 years, 2,800, and interest will vary. So simply we will multiply it with interest rate, it will vary, and we will find out ending balance from minusing the principal amount. So I hope you got the idea behind the amortization of loan and the types of annuities, uneven cash flows and even cash flows, uneven cash flows and cash flows with the same amount. I hope you got idea behind the amortization of loan. That's all from the today's lecture. Today we have discussed